Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's feature, we're looking at what we're calling the best rose gold mesh strap 32mm women's watch, or more precisely, the rose gold variant of the BERNY stainless steel mesh watch band. Stylish, sleek, and thoughtfully crafted, this strap is redefining what it means to wear elegance on your wrist. Let's talk about why this watch strap stands out. From the very first glance, the rose gold finish catches the light beautifully. The polished stainless steel mesh gives off a radiant shine, adding a luxurious touch without ever becoming too flashy. The quality of the stainless steel used here is exceptional. A 0.6mm diameter polished wire mesh, smooth to the touch, breathable, and incredibly durable. It doesn't just look premium, it feels it too. BERNY has gone with a Milanese loop design, which means this strap is not just about aesthetics, but comfort as well. It hugs the wrist with a feather-light grip, making it ideal for long hours of wear. Whether you're attending meetings, walking in the city, or dressing up for dinner, it blends seamlessly with any outfit. For wrists ranging from 4.7 to 6.7 inches, it offers a secure, tailored fit, and that doesn't include the watch case size itself. Installation is quick and straightforward thanks to the integrated quick-release spring bars. No need to visit a jeweler or fiddle with special tools. In less than a minute, your new strap is installed and ready to wear. This makes it a perfect choice for anyone who likes to switch up styles or colors without the hassle. And then there's the clasp, a double-locking fold-over mechanism that's both secure and stylish. Once locked in, it stays in place through your day, yet it's easy to remove when needed. No slipping, no discomfort, just a dependable closure that complements the overall finesse of the band. You'll also appreciate the design's compatibility. Whether you're upgrading your existing timepiece or looking to match a new 32mm case, this BERNY strap in rose gold elevates the entire look. It's designed for both men and women, but this rose gold version especially flatters smaller wrists and feminine aesthetics. All in all, this isn't just a watch strap, it's an accessory that adds personality and polish to your everyday wear. At just $15.99, it's an affordable luxury that doesn't compromise on quality, comfort, or class. If you're in the market for a thin, elegant, and versatile mesh watch strap, one that delivers both form and function, the BERNY stainless steel mesh watch band in rose gold might just be your next best buy. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more premium product breakdowns. See you in the next video.